pretty cool. A different part of CMG. Ooh. Dang. Ooh, that's dark. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Continues.
That does, huh?
Dude, I hate when it gets into this dark.
Oh, it switches.
It
Like
just,
that?
oh man. My glasses are way too dark for that. So I'm good now.
Alright.
That's a little different, huh, than the rest of CMG.
Dude, yeah.
Gives you a little different taste. Oh, nice.
What these are, because this is like.
Yeah, that looks a little mellower, huh? It looks.
It does.
Like from this spot. You want to try it?
I'm with it if you are, dude.
This is just CMG.
Yeah, this is just like CMG.
Yeah. Let's try it, dude.
Alright.
Might as well.
See, getting up in
Get something out of this. I don't mind a little bit. It's more techy. What's that? Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, somebody's already stationed and stuff, dude. Somebody's getting ready for winter. Oh dang. That's a good little tack.
Put my handlebar on that tree. But I don't know if we're on CMG now.
I wouldn't think so. Or no. You think?
Kind of, I think you are. Like, I feel like it maybe like might like wrap back around. I think
This almost feels like that one kind of in that trail that we dropped in last time.
yeah.
Doesn't it? That one where we dropped, it was CMG, wasn't it? One of the techie spots that we came down that was random.
But
And
was
then,
that like back in Moose House?
oh, were we that? Oh,
Yeah,
we
I
were
think
way,
so.
we were way off.
Do you think we go that way?
I feel like
Yeah.
naturally, huh? Yeah, and this looks like it would have
Like
popped you out that way.
That was something else.
No, that was cool.
That was weird, that bench and shit.
Yeah, the snowboarding.
Yeah.
Telling you, dude, people are starting to station up. Let's do it.
Oh dang. So
Where are we?
this is like the